Hey, welcome back to How To with Jesus. We've shown you how to remove the spare tire from the trunk of your car. Today, we're going to show you how to install it in case you have a flat. Your tool carrier will have all the tools you need to remove the wheel and lift the vehicle. These indents mark the proper lift point underneath the vehicle. Assemble the tools to use the jack. And turn the jack to put a little pressure on the vehicle. Use the lug wrench to loosen all the lug nuts, turning them counterclockwise before the vehicle is completely lifted off the ground. Once the lug nuts are partially loose, turn clockwise. Once the tire has come off the ground, you can stop lifting the car. Finish removing the lug nuts. Once all the lug nuts are off, you can remove your tire. And install your spare. Install the lug nuts, turning them clockwise. Make sure you start them by hand always. Lightly torque your lug nuts with the lug wrench before dropping the vehicle. Lower the vehicle by turning counterclockwise. Thanks. This has been How To with Jesus. See you next time.
Hey, what's the difference between a hippo and a Zippo?
I don't know.
A hippo is a little heavy and a Zippo is a little lighter. This has been How To with Jesus. Joke.
Oh, God. Oh, is that where we're going?
Yeah, I can't hear you. Seriously.